Today we talk about how can you find your read history on your Whoosh app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on start reading here. So then here you will find our read history. Here if you have or taken any reads, it's going to show for you in this list here. Like you see here, I have no read history yet in my list. But if you have it here, automatically it's going to show for you on your Hush app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great to just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.